Hello, I'm Sophia, and today at Procro channel, where we dwell into the finance and IT topics and also make some funny videos, we will be talking with you about how to get more clients on Upwork and what's happening in the world. June 17th, 2026. Upwork Inc., the world's human and AI-powered work marketplace that possibly all of you have heard about, announced that Upwork Claude AI Connector, a new app inside Anthropic's Claude that connects business with experts they need the moment a project takes shape. So, it's a news that actually are in Yahoo Finance or in Upwork community, and you possibly already know something. According to recent Upwork research, 74% of CMBs plan to increase freelance hiring in the near time, much of it tied to AI-driven growth initiatives. Now the same tools that supported projects planning can also help with the hiring and also help with the coding from the scratch of losing the context that's already been built. AI changing is how business plan and kicks off work, but quality outcomes still depend on human expertise. Yeah, such words said Peter Sandberg, Chief Business Officer at Upwork Inc. They also added that putting Upwork inside Claude closes the gap between where work gets started and the talent that can bring it to life. So, what people can do with such apps? With Upwork Claude Connector, a user can describe a project and immediately receive a short list of recommended talent drawn from the Upwork marketplace. More than 18 million professionals, including a global of AI skilled talent. Yes, they have this UMA, the searches for talents, and also helps people write proposals. Now it's also switched a bit to making some not only proposals, just help how to navigate their app, but possibly they maybe return this proposal writing tool. So more than 18 million professionals, including a global pool of skilled talent across 130 categories of work. It's designing IT, it's anything, practically. They can also create a job post through the conversation. So you can go to the cloud, you create job post through the conversation, and then get it on the Upwork. Then continue to Upwork to make it the hire. Yeah, where UMA, Upwork's AI work agent, helps manage the project to completion. Yeah, UMA helps with anything, but you need to understand that it has also limits with a pro version, and also you will be needed to pay a bit extra. So Claude users can get started with the prompts like starting a Upwork job post for data analyst who can build an AI system that turns our raw customer support transcripts into weekly trend reports. That sounds very good, but actually you will need more details and answer some additional questions to make it actually work out for you. For example, even how much you want to pay your developer or your designer or your analyst. Our finance team spends hours on manual reporting every month. Can you help me find an AI automation expert on Upwork who can build a solution to fix that? The second prompt you can write to Claude. Yeah, the third example. I've drawn this product spec in Claude. Find me a senior engineer who shipped similar features and can build it. Sounds good. In my opinion, it's also good. So when Shane Pope, CEO of Reflect Technology, set out to build Remy, an e-powered mental wellness app, maybe you heard of it, but it's really launched and it's quite popular in the world. He turned to Upwork to find the expertise he needed. That went from the idea in App Store in 4 months to something that was greater. So sometimes you're working through a business problem and you realize you need an expert and real person would be 10 times more helpful than a yellow teaching. Being able to find this person at work right there in the same conversation without the back and forth just removes the friction that makes you put it off. So you understand the person that built an e-powered mental wellness app. Shane Pope decided that work made the difference, and that's good. But some freelancers recently complained that they cannot find job. Possibly Claude can help them. So there is one more fact that we need to know. The Claude integration follows the launch of a Upwork app for ChatGPT in April and is part of Upwork's growing effort to expand access to expert talent inside the tools where ideas take shape.